Welcome back. We've got Patrick Stone from Emmanuel Baptist Church in Webb City joining us this morning, and it's that time of year again.
It is that time of year again. This is our 11th annual celebration. It's just a phenomenal time for us to get together. When we talk about Independence Day, it's so important to recognize why we celebrate it. There's so many people that have given their lives that are still in active military that created us, that made it easy for us today. So we're super excited about it. Hot dogs, bounce houses, super big, fireworks display. So we're super excited about it this year.
And you're bringing in the fire department to help out?
Yep, hopefully that they can do that. Hopefully there's no big fires in the area to where they have to go out and put those out. But the fire department, we're going to have free food this year. A lot of hot dogs. So
snow cones, I hear.
Tons of snow cones, popcorn. It's just a great celebration. I mean, our community really comes together for Webb City, just to celebrate this time. So we're going to have live music. Event starts at 6 o'clock. If you want to show up early, you're more than welcome to. But it's our 11th annual, and it's just a big day for me.
Okay, where's it all located at?
Right there at Memorial Park. So right there across from the church, 300 North Pennsylvania in Webb City. Just show up and be present. Our main goal is through us, to share the gospel. And that's the biggest thing because, where would we be without God?
And outreach is huge for any organization.
Sure.
People.
Yeah, absolutely. If you don't have anything to do and you think to yourself, well, I don't necessarily go to that church, or I don't live in Webb City, don't hesitate to come out. I mean, it's just a great day for fun, food, and faith and family.
All right. Yeah. It's time to let freedom ring, and everything is going to be happening this Saturday at 6 o'clock at Memorial Park.
Don't miss it.
You had a lot of people last year. So
yeah, we had almost 700 people come through, and I'm hoping to kind of edge that north a little bit to maybe 750 this year.
Yeah. Let's beat that number.
Yeah.
We can do it.
Yeah, I'm super excited about it. Thank you for having me on.
Yeah. Well, thank you for coming in this morning. And I love the hat.
Yeah.
We'll be right back.